Hey guys, today I'm taking a look at the 3-in-1 smart lock from Lockzo. Let's open up the box and see how it works. First off, comes with some templates to help you install it. Various user guides and quick start guides in here. And this box comes with all of the accessories. Comes with a key, various mounting options as well, extra battery, other various doodads as well. So here's part of the lock. And then here's the other side for where it goes in. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. Installation is DIY friendly with no drilling required. The included guide will walk you through everything, and it takes only around 15 minutes. It also fits most wood and metal doors, and it comes with 2 physical keys just in case. First off, the lock is all about versatility. You have 6 different ways to unlock your door: fingerprint, passcode, app control, voice command, physical keys, and even remote access through Wi-Fi. The fingerprint sensor is powered by AI and has a 99.99% efficiency rate, meaning it's fast, accurate, and even works with wet hands, so you don't have to fumble around with your keys. The built-in camera has a 2K resolution that gives you a crystal clear, head-to-toe view of the doorstep. It also has advanced night vision and a 180-degree wide-angle view, so the camera never misses a moment, whether it's through the day or night. And with the Lockzo app, you can see who or what's at your door, talk to them via 2-way audio, and you can even unlock the door remotely. So even if you're halfway across the world, you can also create temporary access codes for guests, track entry logs in real time, and schedule access windows. It gives you total control, all from your phone. It also has dual sensors that intelligently detect human motion and sends you alerts when it truly matters. It also works with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice commands, so you can lock and unlock your door with just your voice. Design-wise, it's sleek, modern, and waterproof. The lock is IP65 rated, meaning it can handle rain, dust, and extreme temperatures. It's BHMA certified too, so you're getting professional-grade durability. The battery life is another win. The 10,000 milliamp rechargeable battery can last up to 180 days on a single charge. You'll also get a low battery alert at 20%, and if it ever dies, you can recharge it via the USB-C cable or the backup key, giving you more peace of mind. Security features include anti-peeking passcodes, auto lock, and AI-powered motion detection that filters out false alerts. You even get 15-second pre-recorded clips, so you can always see the right moments. You're getting a smart lock, a doorbell, and a security camera all in one. It's reliable, stylish, and packed with features that make everyday life easier and safer. If you're upgrading your front door, then this is a solid investment. And so yeah, definitely take a look at the Lockzo Smart Lock today if you are looking for better home security. And you can check it out in the link below. See you.